Number 1. The 1974 Pontiac Trans Am, priced at $9,000, located in Joshua, Texas, originally equipped with a 455-400 engine, has been modified with high-performance specifications including a Kaufman 510510 hydraulic roller camshaft, balanced forged rotating assembly, scat crankshaft, HD Pontiac connecting rods, and 10.5:1 compression. Aluminum Edelbrock Performer RPM cylinder heads and intake are installed alongside comp headers, a Demon 750 carburetor, and a complete MSD ignition system. Cooling has been upgraded with a Griffin aluminum radiator and electric fan, along with a high-torque starter and March serpentine system. The interior features Corbeau front seats with a custom rear seat, but still requires carpet, headliner, and door panel installation. The dashboard needs refinishing. The body has rust on the lower rear quarter panels and passenger side front fender, with cracking paint. As a California car, its structure is mostly solid, with factory-painted trunk floors and factory primer-coated cabin floors. It has a posy rear end, no AC or heater, and rides on 17-inch wheels. The owner is open to selling or trading for a two-door Chevrolet Tahoe. Number 2. The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $9,500, located in Brightwaters, New York, retains its original 235 Blue Flame inline-six engine with a 3-on-the-tree transmission, showing 54,000 original miles. The car was purchased from its third owner, an 83-year-old man, forced to sell because he could no longer drive a manual car. Amateur restoration was carried out in the early 1990s, including the replacement of some floor sections using plain metal sheets. While not a showpiece, the car is structurally sound and drives perfectly. The original engine was rebuilt in the early 90s and reportedly stroked. Upgrades include electronic ignition and a new battery. The interior is in excellent condition, showing signs of meticulous care from previous owners who often used it. This car draws attention and is frequently requested for weddings, proms, and other events. Though not a flawless classic, it is an attractive option for entry-level classic car enthusiasts seeking a fun family ride. Number 3. The 1968 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, priced at $8,000, located in St. George, Utah, is nearly completed. This custom project boasts a striking blue exterior with large aftermarket wheels and air suspension, giving it a low stance. The interior has been upgraded with quilted cream leather seats, offering a luxurious yet retro vibe. However, a few issues remain, such as the replacement of suspension airbags that don't fit the current setup, turn signal repairs, and finishing touches to some interior trim. The rear exhaust system has been modified, and the trunk holds 2 spare tires and air suspension components, indicating extensive upgrades. Power comes from a 472 CI engine, though the accuracy of the odometer is uncertain due to its age. While in decent condition, the car needs to be transported by trailer. A new cover is included to protect its exterior. Number 4. The 1972 Ford Maverick, priced at $7,000, located in Denton, Texas, is powered by a V8 302 engine with an automatic transmission. This car runs and drives. The exterior features a clean silver body with black accents, an aggressive black accented hood, and black steel wheels without hubcaps. However, there are some issues to note, such as non-functional turn signals, and the interior needs repairs, including a new headliner and water leaks from the engine bay into the cabin during rain. The interior shows signs of wear with aged and faded seats and door panels. The engine appears operational, and the braking system has been fully restored with documentation and receipts for the work. Overall, this is an interesting project for classic car enthusiasts looking to complete a restoration. Number 5. The 1965 Chrysler 300, priced at $9,500, located in Anza, California, is roadworthy and used almost daily by its current owner. Overall, it is in decent condition, with a clean title, registered and insured. The interior is well maintained, with black leather seats and an original dashboard. There is no rust, though minor dents and scratches are present and can be repaired. The engine runs well, but some repairs are needed, such as front suspension bushings, shock absorbers, and power steering hoses. There is an oil leak, likely coming from uneven valve covers, which may mimic a rear main seal leak. The Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor installed is slightly undersized for the engine, though the car maintains stability at 85 miles per hour. This is a great choice for someone seeking a drivable classic project. Number 6. The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $9,000, located in Quinlan, Texas, has a 307 small block V8 engine. Overall, it's drivable but requires several major and minor repairs. The car was purchased from Pennsylvania, so there is rust in certain areas. Key issues include the need for a new battery, brake repairs, a fan shroud, and possibly a water pump and radiator support, as the engine still overheats in traffic. The driver's door is difficult to open and needs new hinges, while the hood requires new springs. There is a water leak into the smuggler box, and the air suspension system has lines but remains untested. The interior needs new door panels and visors, and the speedometer is faulty, with the previous owner using a speedometer app on an old phone. Although the grille and steering wheel display Supersport SS badges, their authenticity needs to be verified through the VIN. This car is ideal for a Restorad or Mad Max-style build, but will require significant effort for a full restoration. Number 7. The 1971 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $7,000, located in Fort Smith, Arkansas, is still in restoration project condition. It originally had a 400 F5 Turbo 400 engine, now modified from a 2-barrel to a 4-barrel with a Performer intake and an 800 CFM Edelbrock carburetor. The ignition system has been upgraded with an aftermarket HEI, and it features a new aluminum radiator, fan clutch, long headers, and a 2.5-inch exhaust system with an H-pipe. Krogger wheels with new tires are installed, and the braking system has been improved with a new brake booster, master cylinder, and wheel cylinders. Though the front rotors and calipers should be replaced for better braking, the interior is in decent condition, with classic red leather seats and a 1970-style wood panel dashboard and trim. Surface rust is present from being stored under a tin shed, with serious rust in the trunk due to a rear window leak. Overall, this car has potential as a classic cruiser project with clean and clear paperwork. Number 8. The 1971 Ford F-100, priced at $9,900, located in Caldwell, Idaho, is in fairly good condition for its age, with a classic blue exterior showing minor rust and wear on the hood and body. It has undergone significant updates, including a fully reconditioned 351 Windsor engine with upgrades such as power steering, tilt wheel, disc brakes, and dual exhaust. The interior retains a classic feel with a blue dashboard and wood steering wheel, although there are signs of wear below the dashboard. The seat has been reupholstered in a black and gray pattern and features a gun rack behind it. The engine bay is clean with new components such as a Holly Demon carburetor, oil pump, alternator, and manifold cover to enhance performance. With an automatic transmission and mechanical updates, this truck runs well and is a solid option for a mechanically inclined owner. Number 9. The 1967 Plymouth Fury, priced at $4,500, located in Twin Falls, Idaho, is roadworthy with a 383 engine and a 727 automatic transmission. It has been brought back to regular use and is driven daily. Several features, such as the radio, wipers, heater blower, and fender turn signals, are still functional. Visually, it maintains a classic look with a dark green body, brown roof, and large aftermarket wheels. The interior retains its vintage style, with green seats and an original dashboard. Although there are signs of wear, the engine has undergone some repairs, including the installation of a new aluminum radiator, though further tuning is required. The suspension and undercarriage appear to be in decent condition, though some components may need further inspection. The seller offers the car with two wheel options, 20-inch or 15-inch, for $4,000, and is open to trades for race cars or performance components like SBC engines and M transmissions. Number 10. The 1984 Chevy El Camino, priced at $8,000, located in Prairie Grove, Arkansas, retains most of its original components without any rust on the frame. There is some paint peeling in certain areas, but overall, it remains attractive with its signature blue color. The interior is well maintained, featuring comfortable blue fabric seats and additional accessories, such as a dashboard cover with El Camino lettering and matching carpets. The instrument panel is intact and functional, showing approximately 56,000 miles. Mechanically, the engine is in good working order. The car was recently moved from storage to its sale location. The battery has been replaced, although the alternator belt and power steering belt need to be installed for optimal operation. Overall, this is a sentimental classic, perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking to restore it to prime condition. Number 11. The 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $8,000, located in Spokane, Washington, is powered by an original 200 cubic inch straight-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features factory power steering. Initially painted silver frost with a red interior, it was repainted yellow in the 1990s. The interior has been refreshed with new carpeting, headliner, windshield, and front and rear window seals. Window trim is complete, and all lights have been replaced. There are rust spots near the fuel tank and rear panel, along with Bondo repairs in some areas. The car runs and has functional brakes after installing new wheel cylinders on all 4 wheels. While not in perfect condition, it's well preserved for its age. Additional parts include a replacement rear seat cover and a panel behind the seat. Number 12. The 1962 Ford Falcon, priced at $5,500, located in Troutdale, Oregon, is an automatic transmission, 6-cylinder car featuring a striking purple exterior and interior, hinting at its show car status in the 1980s. The engine runs well, and the transmission shifts smoothly. Braking has been improved with new drums and wheel cylinders, though the brake system still requires bleeding. Interior upgrades include new carpeting and soundproofing. However, some fixes are still needed, such as brake hardware installation, provided, and non-functional brake and turn signal lights. A new headlight switch is included. The car comes with Baby Moon hubcaps, not yet installed, and has a clean Oregon title. This classic has high potential but requires finishing touches to be fully functional. Number 13. The 1961 Plymouth Police, priced at $6,500, located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, is a rare ex-police vehicle. It is a high-performance pursuit special version, rather than the standard patroller, featuring a 361 cubic inch Golden Commando 395 engine, heavy-duty torque-fly transmission, 3.23 sh grip differential, and reinforced brakes and suspension. Additional features include a tinted windshield and calibrated speedometer. The trunk floor and front and rear passenger floor sections have been patched, albeit poorly. The cabin needs repairs, including a headliner installation, frame included. The engine turns manually but hasn't been tested. There are rust spots and body damage, particularly around the wheel panels. Although the radio and siren were removed before the car's public sale, it comes with complete documents, including the original build sheet and Colorado State Patrol paperwork. This car offers a great restoration opportunity for collectors of historical vehicles. Number 14. The 1969 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $2,500, located in Overland Park, Kansas, requires repairs, but the car is running and drivable. The engine has good oil pressure at around 50 psi, and the carburetor has been cleaned and rebuilt. There's a minor vacuum leak needing a throttle shaft bushing kit. Cooling system updates include a new water pump and radiator, but flushing is needed as the coolant contains rust and the temperature sometimes hits 210 degrees. The transmission works well, following a fluid change. Brake lines, shoes, and calipers have been replaced, though a leaking front proportioning valve limits front brake function. The alternator undercharges, possibly due to a voltage regulator issue. The exterior shows rust on the rear panels and doors, while the floor and frame have been patched. Despite its issues, this car remains a promising restoration project. Number 15. The 1967 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $1,200, located in Shawnee, Oklahoma, features a 428 engine and signature hidden headlights. The body is complete but shows rust and corrosion, especially around the lower panels and wheel wells. The paint is dull, and the roof has rust that likely requires extensive repairs. The interior is intact but worn and dusty, presenting restoration potential. The engine bay shows dirt buildup, and components need refurbishment. With a clean title and one family ownership history, this car offers a compelling project for vintage car enthusiasts.